Hello everyone, welcome back to Newman Tech Breakdown. Today we're taking a close look at the Vivo S30 Pro Mini, a smartphone designed for users who want a premium feel, powerful performance, and excellent camera quality in a compact form factor. So the big question is the Vivo S30 Pro Mini actually worth your money in 2026? Let's break it down. Design and build quality. Starting with the design, the Vivo S30 Pro Mini features a sleek, modern look with a sling body and a comfortable in-hand feel. This phone is clearly built for users who prefer compact phones without sacrificing premium design. The frame feels solid, the back panel has a clean finish, and overall, the phone gives off a flagship-inspired vibe, especially for its size. It's lightweight, easy to use with one hand, and ideal for long daily usage. Display experience. On the front, you get a high-quality AMOLED display with vibrant colors and deep contrast. Text looks sharp, video playback is immersive, and brightness levels are strong enough for outdoor use. The smooth refresh rate makes scrolling feel fluid, whether you're browsing social media, watching content, or playing games. For a compact smartphone, the display experience is impressively premium. Performance and software. When it comes to performance, the Vivo S30 Pro Mini is powered by a high-performance chipset designed to handle daily tasks, multitasking, and gaming smoothly. Apps open quickly, animations feel responsive, and there's no noticeable lag during normal use. On the software side, Vivo's user interface feels clean, modern, and feature-rich, with useful customization options while still remaining user-friendly. For everyday users and content creators alike, this phone delivers reliable and consistent performance. Camera performance. Now let's talk about cameras, one of Vivo's strongest areas. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini comes with a versatile camera system that performs very well in both daylight and low-light conditions. Photos have good detail, natural colors, and solid dynamic range. Portrait shots look sharp with accurate edge detection, and the selfie camera is great for vlogging and social media content. Video recording is stable and clear, making this phone a strong option for creators who shoot directly on their smartphone. Battery life and charging. Despite its compact size, the battery performance is surprisingly dependable. You can expect a full day of usage with normal activities like browsing, video streaming, and camera use. Fast charging support ensures you can quickly power up the device and get back to your routine without long waiting times. Audio and connectivity. Audio quality is clear and loud enough for daily media consumption. Call quality is stable, and connectivity options meet modern smartphone standards, ensuring a smooth overall experience. Pricing and value for money. Now let's talk pricing. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini is positioned in the upper mid-range to near flagship segment depending on the market and storage variant. Considering its design, display quality, camera performance, and smooth user experience, the phone offers strong value for money, especially for users who prefer compact premium smartphones. Final verdict. So, should you buy the Vivo S30 Pro Mini? If you're looking for a stylish, compact smartphone with premium display, reliable performance, strong camera quality, and comfortable one-handed use, then yes, the Vivo S30 Pro Mini is definitely worth considering in 2026. Outro. Kettle for action. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more honest tech reviews. This is Newman Tech Breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.